Hey guys, how's it going? I just got back from Bali and this coffee, I shit you not, no pun intended, is the most expensive coffee in the world. So I can't make this up. We were there and it's called Luwak Coffee. I'm sure some of you guys have heard of this. It's up to $100 a cup, okay? Um, the premise of it is a little bit gross. Yes, I did have it. It actually wasn't that bad. I kind of liked it in a weird way. It was good coffee, but the premise of it is a luwak is kind of an animal similar to a cat. They're very picky in the wild, and they eat coffee. They eat coffee beans off of trees, and they only eat the best ones. But of course, their bodies can't digest that, so then they go ahead and poop out the coffee, and then you get luwak coffee. I don't know who was the first one who ever tried making coffee out of the poop from a luwak. But regardless, it is the most expensive coffee you can get in the world. There it was insanely expensive considering what everything else goes for in Bali, but here it can be $100 a cup. So why am I telling you this? Is that the next big winning product that you should be selling? No, probably not. It seems like it could be a little shitty. Okay, I'm done with the puns. Regardless, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about is how do you find your next big winning product? Is it Luwak coffee? Are you guys going to go out and try to find an animal's remains and pick through it and see what's left? Well, that's what I feel like a lot of you guys are currently doing right now. You guys are going through all of these blogs and videos, and you guys are just finding, for lack of a better term, crappy products that don't work. So no one can give you just a definite list of products that work. If they do, too many people have seen it and it doesn't work anymore. So how do I find my products? I think it's important that you guys can find your own products and not just rely on someone to tell you, hey, this is what's selling good right now, this is what's not selling good right now. Because if someone's telling you what's selling good right now, you probably missed the boat. I hate to tell you that. And for all of you who tried fidget spinners, I think you learned that the hard way. If you heard about them, you were too late. So let's jump into my computer screen here. This is what I do. It's called My Big Edge, okay? There's a 7-day free trial. This is the sign up page. Just go to mybigedge.com and the link will be right above this video so you guys can do this. It's just 3 fields here and then you guys are in, and it's a Google Chrome extension. Of course, I already have it, so once you sign in, this is what it'll actually look like. This dashboard is very, very simple. Yours is going to have a little bit less on the side here because I've got the admin version, obviously. And your free day trial is going to be 7 days, not 700. I apologize for that. But regardless, what do we do with this app? How do I find my products? I'm going to give you guys the full tutorial right now. So I'm going to go over to Facebook. You guys can download the Google Chrome extension as you guys, if you don't already have it, just click here. It'll give you this Google Chrome extension up here. You'll have to sign in your first time. I'm already signed in. But I'm just going to hit start analyzing while I explain this to you, and I'm going to click scroll automatically. If you have really good Wi-Fi, you can click that accelerate for those of you who are on wire, but I'm just going to let it do its regular thing. So what is it doing right now? This app is going through my entire Facebook newsfeed, and it is checking every single advertisement that is being shown to me. My biggest rule is sell products, especially if it's your first time. Sell products that people would try to sell to you because you're going to understand the market better. When you guys are choosing interests, when you guys are writing content, if I'm trying to sell lipstick, I'm probably not going to do that good of a job. I don't know how to put on lipstick, let alone what price it should be going for and who I should be advertising to and what females like what color of lipstick. It's too difficult, okay? So you guys can let this run its course. You guys can go for 10, 20, 30 minutes if you really want. I'm going to stop it here just because I've already got some data that we can look at just so I can save us some time. So I'm just going to click stop analyzing. I only have the one ad from Russell Brunson on my newsfeed right now. Facebook's kind of doing some updates. So regardless, from here, you guys can rank them by traffic rank. You guys can click Shopify stores only. And these engagement level, you guys can sort by. Now, what is this engagement level? This takes the post and it tells us out of 100 being good, 0% being bad, how good is this actual post? So it only has 206 likes, 45 comments, 31 shares, but our system recognizes that it's been shown a lot. So for that level of engagement versus how many times it has been shown, it's very, very poor. And this is also cross-referenced with a couple other databases. So this ad is not necessarily a good ad, but we can't discredit the fact that it might just be a retargeting ad. If I click the advertisement's name, it'll take me right to the ad in my newsfeed, and I can go and take a look. and I can find out, okay, this is in fact a retargeting ad because I was just on one of his websites. I'd go ahead and like that ad, which I'm going to do because now I'm going to get more of those ads if I was interested in that, right? So now if he has another layer of his funnel, I'm going to get those ads. So at the baseline, this already looks really good. But what's more important is once I have all these ads, and I've been doing this, I recommend that you guys do this 3 times a day, or whenever you guys use Facebook, just do this for 20 minutes. You guys are going to get different ads depending on the day, depending on the time. Then you can come here and you can click saved ads. All of the ads you've ever seen will be saved here for you guys, and you guys can show however many columns you want. But this is where it becomes insanely valuable, and we can start to find the products that we want and do some competitive analysis. So I can click through these. I can rank these by engagement. I can rank by video type, if it was a video, if it wasn't, and I can go straight to the ad from here if the ad still exists, of course. Sometimes they delete their ads. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do something a little bit more interesting. I'm going to click only Shopify stores. Shopify is obviously the biggest e-commerce platform right now, and that is what we care about. These are the people making the big bucks, are generally on these Shopify stores, and they're drop shippers. They're all sorts of things. So I'm just going to click this first one, Hickeys. Okay. I don't know what I'm getting myself into here. Okay, it's nothing what I thought it was. It's Hickeys. Let's just leave it at that. So now I'm on their store. I can go back here and I can see, okay, that ad that I saw was 30% engagement, had 859 comments. That's good. 3 shares, two video views. That's obviously the ad might have been deleted, so it's not referencing that data correctly anymore. So now I'm on here. And what am I going to do? I'm going to say, okay, I can check out their store and see if this is anything that I'm even interested in, first of all. Okay, cool, blah, 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 blah. Let's just say that for the purposes of this demonstration, I am interested. What are the next levels that I can do? There's 2 crazy things that I've never seen before that we can do right now. I'm going to open up that Chrome extension again. It's going to show me, okay, the website rank. That's an amazing website rank, 319,000. So this store is obviously doing really, really well. I don't expect you guys to know that, but 300,000, that's a very, very good website rank. So there's a few different things that have come up now. It says subscribe to this store, view my subscriptions, latest products, oldest products, best selling products, trigger Facebook pixel. Okay, interesting. Now, I'm going to go ahead and trigger this Facebook pixel because I'm really interested in this. I want to see their entire funnel. I want to see what they're doing. I want to see their follow-up process. So I'm just going to add this product to my cart. So with that product in my cart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click trigger Facebook pixel. So I just triggered it for initiate checkout right now, but I'm actually going to go ahead and do a couple of these. So basically what I just did is I just told their Facebook pixel, we tricked it into thinking that I initiated checkout, which I kind of did in a way, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do purchase. Now if I click it, they just think that I purchased. They just got a notification to their pixel that I purchased. What does this mean for me? Now, any ads that they have to people who have already purchased their products, I'm going to see those. I'm also going to see more ads like this because now Facebook thinks that I've purchased from this shoe store. So now I'm going to get more shoe ads. So if this was something I was really trying to target my focus towards, now my feed, without making me purchase these products, Facebook thinks that's what I'm interested in. So now I'm going to see more ads from people like that. So that's why I say, go ahead and do this, 2-3 times a day. You're always going to be getting more and more ads towards those products now, right? As a marketer, I want to receive ads on things that I want to be selling because now I get insight, I get some thoughts, I get some ideas. So this is perfect, okay? But this is just the cusp. This is the cool part, you guys. I'm going to click subscribe to this store. Now, what just happened? This is mind-boggling, okay? So Hickeys is a brand I want to follow. I don't want to be on their store every single day trying to figure out what they're doing. It's very, very difficult to achieve this. Very time consuming. So now I just subscribe to the store. I'm going to click view your subscriptions. Here are all of my store subscriptions. I just have 2 in this section. I went through and cleared them out so I can make this simpler. One of them is MF Shock, which I'll talk about. Now I'm going to click Hickeys. Now it's just going to show me the products from Hickeys. It's going to load the first 25 roughly products. Now from this point on moving forward, my app is going to go in and check what products Hickeys is adding to their website 2-3 times a day. So now any new products are going to show up right here. I can see their top 25 right here, but any new products are going to show up here. So as I continue on and as I find all these stores, if I'm looking at selling shoes, I can leave it at all stores, and all of these products that are getting added to these stores daily are going to show up. Not only that, I'm going to see the day and the time that they're showing up. So MF Shock is an excellent example for this. That's why I left this here. So if I just click MF Shock, they're a drop shipping store. So this is something that I can replicate very, very easily. But the interesting thing with them is I see, I'm just looking at the 29th here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 new products were added to their site yesterday. Today's the 30th. 7 products. Do I have the time to test 7 products? No. Do I have the money to test 7 products? Probably not. That's the biggest difficulty of finding winning products. So, with this being said, guys, how can I learn from this? How can I make money from this? Okay, they're acquiring data for me. Okay, now this is where it takes a little bit of work, and this is where you're going to have this app for a long time, and this is going to become your best friend. It's not easy to find winning products all the time, but this is my biggest methods. Okay, now I have a group of stores that I'm following, right? So what have we done thus far? I've got a group of stores that I'm following, right? 2 of them in this case. Of course, you guys will have more. I've told Facebook the types of products that I'm interested in selling. So now as I go on my Facebook later on in the day, tomorrow, I'm going to get more ads based on that because they think I've purchased those products. But thirdly, I have all of the ads I've ever seen saved. So now I can rank and go back to those and say, okay, I am going to sell these shoes. These are similar to Hickeys. Hickeys is a big company. They're ranked 300,000 in the world. That's awesome for e-commerce sites, or for sites, sorry. Now I'm going to replicate their ad content. But fourth and final, I now have a little hack to find the winning products. So I'm going to go to mfshock.com and I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So I load their site here, and I'm just going to put in this little piece of text, $sort _ by equals best dash selling. Okay. This is a great combination, guys. And we're looking at features of integrating this. So don't worry, there's going to be updates all the time. We're doing about a new update every week, adding new features to this app. This is the coolest part. Now, this is their best-selling products, okay? Stop while you're ahead. People already go to this page and say, okay, I'm going to sell that product. That's their best-selling product. Guess what? This is lifetime. This product could have been the best-selling product 2 years ago. They sold 10,000 of them. They haven't sold one in the last year. This does not mean this is a hot product. This does not necessarily mean we should sell this product. How do we use these in combination? Now, I'm going to do this very, very accelerated, but so you guys can see and you guys can replicate this when you guys are using the app. Since I've been following the store for an extended period of time, I can see these products, and these guys test hundreds of products a week. It's actually crazy. Now, what would I do is I'm just going to take a look at these first 8, for example. Okay, I've got them in my head, and now I'm going to scroll through here. Do I see any of these 8 coming up? No, I don't. Okay, still don't. Oh, there's one. This is the first one that I see. This is huge, you guys. This is what people don't realize. Now I went and I found a best-selling product, but now I can actually timestamp it and say, okay, am I missing the trend or am I just hitting the trend? On the 14th, they released this product. That's 16 days ago. Today's the 30th. Depends if you want to count today or not. It is 12:27 in the afternoon. So I'm going to look at this, and what am I going to do with this? I'm like, okay, there's their best-selling products. This is their second best-selling product. It was released 16 days ago. Wow, I just hit the jackpot pretty much, guys. So I can go ahead and I can click right to this product through the app. Now I'm on this product. This is their best-selling product, in my opinion, of currently going on. And I'm not missing the trend. It's only been 2 weeks. Wow, now we have something we can reverse engineer. Now, if I'm a drop shipper, if this aligns with my store, this is a product I'm finding on AliExpress, and I am going to replicate exactly what they're doing. This is proven success. Okay, better yet, I am going to go ahead and go on their website. It won't let me click it there, so I'm just going to type it in. They got to fix that. That's obviously a big issue. But regardless, we can do it from this page then. I'll add it to my cart, and look at what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to go ahead, and I just have to sign in here because I refreshed my page. And I am going to say I want to trigger the Facebook pixel, okay? And I'm going to put initiate checkout. So this is just kind of that double confirmation that we did it. And this way I don't have to give them my email if I don't want to. You guys probably should to get their marketing campaigns if you guys really want to follow this. But I just initiated checkout. So what does that mean? What's going to happen now when I go on Facebook in about 20 minutes? I'm going to get their retargeting campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to obviously save that in My Big Edge. That's what I'm going to use. As soon as I see that retargeting campaign when I'm scrolling through my Facebook, I'm just going to go ahead and click My Big Edge, and I'm going to go scroll automatically, and it will, or sorry, run the analysis, and it will go ahead and save that ad for me. So now I've got it there. I've got the retargeting campaign. I probably have their initial. I'll probably end up seeing that again eventually. Sometimes people turn those off for 2-3 days, but they're a very, very good store. They're a high-level store. That's a store that I want to follow. Go ahead and sell that product if you guys want. If at the end of the day you're not going to sign up for My Big Edge right now, at least take that one product, go out into your store and try selling it. This is a winning product. It is May 30th. I don't know how long that'll last, but there you guys go. That's exactly how I literally go about my days, and I find my winning products to sell. So I just gave you guys one there. Please, leave a comment if you guys are going to go ahead and do that. If you guys want to say thanks, I appreciate it. But give me some feedback. That is, in a nutshell, how My Big Edge works, how you guys should be using it, and this should become a part of your daily routine. It's a part of mine. It's a part of all my clients. It's a part of all of my networks. People love this. The store subscriptions have been absolutely insane. We're shocked at how many people have really jumped on board with this. But try it for yourselves. You guys have a 7-day free trial in there. You can unsubscribe anytime. Mine will look a little bit differently, but if you guys wanted to unsubscribe, mine is obviously on a 700-day free trial. But if you click Upgrade to Pro, you guys might have a different word there. It'll let you unsubscribe literally from clicking one button. So you have nothing to lose there. I want you guys to know that. I want to stress that. Open and honesty with you guys. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Please reach out to me. You guys can message me on my page at Owned by Me or my personal profile. Hit me up with a friend request. Jarrett Belliveau. I appreciate it all, guys. I hope you have a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know what you think.